All right, good morning everyone. Welcome here today to a very exciting announcement of our unveiling of a very exciting new product. Firstly, thanks everyone for being here. I know there's plenty of activity on at the moment and everybody's very busy, so I really appreciate your time. At EcoTeq, we're very proud and privileged to announce another market-leading product into the range. As you're all aware, we've had some great success with our range of commercial operated electric mowers, and we've had a lot of customer groups come on board over the last 3.5 years, and it's very clear and evident there's a real appetite for commercial electric products like these on the market. It gives me great excitement with this new product. It's an extension on the range. We have a very good relationship with Mean Green, and this is an extension on the range. So Mean Green have been producing these products now for 13 years. So it is the only commercial mower electric in the market at the moment. Gives me very great excitement to unveil the very first Fury that's in the market here in Australia. So as I mentioned, this Fury will be an extension on the Mean Green electric mower market range. It is a compact stand-on mower, so where these are used are in areas that are hard to reach with a traditional larger deck. The operational use of a stand-on works where you're basically standing on a suspended platform and you're operating your mower like so. Some of the benefits to using a stand-on, there's quite a few. So probably the first one is around some of the safety benefits. So using these mowers for a long period of time is a lot better for you, because what happens is as you're going over undulating or bumpy terrain, you're actually absorbing a lot of the impact through your core, so through your glutes and through your core, as opposed to an operator copping it through their back, which a lot of operators have issues with over times. Some of the other benefits to these is around the fact that you've got a much better visibility. Okay, so as you're mowing, you're not actually looking over a deck which is sitting sort of out in front of you. So a lot more visibility when it comes to looking at exposed tree roots or rubbish or anything like that. They're also a lot more manoeuvrable to get off and on. Okay, so if you're working in an area where it might be a highly built up park, there might be litter, there might be sticks, it's very easy to stop the mower and then get on and off to remove whatever it may be, as opposed to having to take your seatbelt off and get off the seat. Now, this design is very compact, so where people will be using these is to get through narrow passageways. Okay, so in Australia, most passageways or narrow sort of side gates are about 900 mil, and this will easily fit through those, being a 32-inch cut. Okay, so in terms of the market for this, we see any forward-thinking or futuristic landscape contractors or mowing contractors using these. They're very big in the States, and where they're being used is to actually replace push mowing. Okay, so you can still fit it through those narrow side gates, but with a mower like this, you've got a much quicker cut speed versus a push mower. So a lot of contractors are finding instead of doing 5 push mower jobs, they can do 10 jobs with something like this with a quicker cut speed. We also see cemeteries using these quite often, and that's once again to go through tight areas like around plaques and that type of thing. As well as that, we also see our normal customer group of councils and large landscape companies using these as well. So it gives me great pleasure to announce that we have launched this into the market. As I mentioned, this is the first one in Australia, and we've got a massive lineup of demos over the next few weeks. So I encourage everyone to come up and have a look at it whilst we've still got it here, and make sure you're asking plenty of questions, and we'll take it out a little bit later. Thanks guys, cheers.